Hello friends, I'm back today with a complete list of pre-nursery concepts your child should know. Welcome to Happiness Mintra. I hope you've subscribed to our channel. If not, hit the like, share and subscribe button now. Children were young, the book that I found most effective for them, it's a really simple book. It's not even a hardbound book or a laminated or a very expensive book, but a very effective book. So every time we don't really have to spend a lot, we need to look at the resource that we are picking up. So here they have, like, the first concept that the book has is fruits. What I like about this book is that the pictures are clear, they are labeled, so it's easy for the child to understand. And another thing, every page has these little questions. So which fruits are green in color? Name some fruits you eat in summers. Now when a child hears these questions, you have to of course ask them, they're too young to read right now, so they can listen to the question, understand it and give you the answer. So which fruits are green in color? Watermelon and grapes. You can ask which ones are red, which ones are yellow, that's up to you. It just gives you a starting point to talk about. And once a child understands the language, is able to comprehend and answer the question related to it, learning stops being rote or mechanical. It becomes meaningful learning, which is the reason I really like this particular picture book. And it's not an endorsement. No one is sponsoring me to say all this about the book. Then they have dry fruits. Similarly, once the pictures are done with, they have some questions about it. The next topic is vegetables. Again, fruits, vegetables. Dry fruits is not so important, but it's okay if it's included in the book. After which, we have the topic of flowers. Now, there are some common flowers which, of course, children should know about. Okay? So they should be aware of the names of some common flowers. Then they have the topic of domestic animals. Now what they've done is, from the initial level, they have divided the topic of animals into domestic and wild. And it's easy for the children to correlate because they have listened to stories. They know there are some animals in the jungle, some animals at home or in the farm, right? So here's domestic animals. And then they have the wild animals. Again, keep noticing that every picture or every page, I would say, has these list of pointer questions. You can develop many more questions like this. Then they have a page on birds. Again, an important concept. After which there are insects. Now, insects are also very commonly seen by children, things like cockroach or mosquito are very commonly known to children. So it's a good idea to teach them about the insects as well. So then you have the body parts here, along with sense organs, which are taught separately. So this is again a very good idea. Mostly books just teach you the body parts. I like the idea of teaching them sense organs right from the beginning. Common clothes. Now this is an Indian book, so it has Indian things like a sari or a blouse, which is good because children here would be more familiar with these words and these pictures, or the family. So common relationships which are there in a house, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, cousins, uncle, aunt, brother, sister. So it's a common concept once again for children. And finally they have the segment on transport. So all the key concepts, fruits, vegetables, animals, transport, parts of the body, have been covered quite nicely in this book. Two additional concepts that can be taught would be shapes and colors. Once all these are done, the child is sorted conceptually for the basic topics and basic things that he should know at a pre-nursery level. So a quick recap, the child should be aware of fruits, vegetables, flowers, domestic and wild animals, birds, insects, parts of the body, common clothes, family and transport, along with colors and shapes. So again, I'll just request all of you, browse the market. Don't just go in for very expensive items always. Simple book like this, something so, I think I got it for about 40 rupees. So something so simple, but really well made. Thought has gone into it. The pictures are clear. The question segment is what is actually required. If you all know me by now, you know that I keep concentrating and focusing on the reading ability of the child, the thinking skills of a child. So when I want those two skills to develop, they have to understand language, understand and use language, comprehend and answer. Once a child is doing that, there is no stopping the child. The child will never trouble you with academics or any concepts. Happy teaching.